What causes the E3 error in my Whirlpool washer and how can I fix it?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the E3 error that you might be encountering with your Whirlpool washer. This error code can be frustrating, but don't worry, we're here to help you understand what causes it and guide you through the steps to fix it. So, let's get started.
What is the E3 error and what causes it?
The E3 error is a common error code that indicates a problem with the water level sensor or pressure switch in your Whirlpool washer. This sensor is responsible for detecting the water level inside the machine and ensuring that it fills up to the appropriate level for each cycle. When the water level sensor or pressure switch malfunctions, it can result in the E3 error being displayed on your washer's control panel. This error typically occurs when the sensor fails to detect the water level correctly, either registering it as too high or too low.
How to fix the E3 error?
Now that we know what causes the E3 error, let's explore some troubleshooting steps to fix it. 1. Check the water supply. The first thing you should do is check the water supply to ensure that the washer is receiving an adequate water flow. Make sure the water valves are fully open and that the water pressure is sufficient. Low water pressure can interfere with the proper functioning of the water level sensor. 2. Inspect the water level sensor next. You'll want to inspect the water level sensor to see if there are any visible issues or obstructions. The sensor is typically located near the top of the washer's tub. Carefully remove any debris or dirt that may be blocking the sensor. Be sure to disconnect the power supply to the washer before performing any inspections or repairs. 3. Test the water level sensor to further diagnose the problem. You can perform a simple test on the water level sensor. Start by filling the washer's tub with a moderate amount of water manually. Then, disconnect the sensor's electrical connector and use a multimeter to check for continuity across its terminals. If the sensor does not show any continuity, it may be faulty and require replacement. 4. Replace the water level sensor. If you have determined that the water level sensor is indeed faulty, you will need to replace it. Consult your Whirlpool washer's user manual or visit the manufacturer's website to find the correct replacement part number. Once you have the new sensor, carefully install it according to the provided instructions. 5. Contact Whirlpool support. If you have attempted the previous steps and the E3 error persists, it may be best to contact Whirlpool support or a professional technician. They will be able to provide further assistance and troubleshoot the issue more extensively. And there you have it. You now have a better understanding of the E3 error in your Whirlpool washer and how to fix it. Remember to check the water supply, inspect and clean the water level sensor, and perform tests or replace the sensor if necessary. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Whirlpool support or a qualified technician for additional help. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Take care, and we'll see you next time.